Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to use this control chart in Excel that is created with along with graph. So for this demo, I have taken a simple example of accounts payable process where we have managed 100 invoices for a period of 14 days that start from 20th May to 10th June. And while managing the 100 invoices per day, there are errors which were made. It means like we were not able to process invoices accurately. On the day one, we had five errors, likewise, day two, four, and so on. So to have this control chart, we need typically four data points. That is the average, error average, that is also called mean average. Then we need a standard deviation. Then you need a upper control limit, lower control limit. Let's see how to calculate each of the data. The first one is the error average. So this typically you can calculate by using this average function. So average function is what I use, and then I selected from the day 1 until day 14. So you will get the average. Likewise for standard deviation, you have this standard deviation function dot, and I use S for the sample, and then selected this errors from one day 1 to day 14, so you get the standard deviation. Then to calculate the upper control limit, so typically the formula will be average error plus standard deviation. However, if you are using for Six Sigma, you always multiply it by 3, so that will give you the upper control limit. And for lower control limit, it's just that we need to minus from average to standard deviation, otherwise the formula remains same. So now that we got this data, let's plot it for all the days so that we can use it for graph. So for mean, I have given the cell reference where we have this average, and then I also press F2 from the keyboard so that it can log, because I need to extend this formula. So the same thing I copy pasted until day 14. Again, I need a UCL, the same way I have given reference and extended formula, likewise for LCL. So now that we have the data, so now let's see how the graph is created. So I will click on graph. You can see the data points, what it has taken, the dates, and then number of errors. You can see the number of errors graph here. And then mean value is the average value, what we have in orange color. And then you have UCL, that is upper control limit. And then we have LCL, which is lower control limit.